Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video, and if you guys are new, please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Also, if you haven't already done so, please turn on your bell notifications so that you guys are notified of when I post new videos. So in today's video, I have a project share for you guys. This is a challenge I am entering and sending to Tina. She is Tiinanir on Instagram. This is what her Instagram looks like. Okay, so that is her Instagram username right there, just at the top, Tiinanir. And I am entering her birthday challenge. So she wanted a birthday card, and she wanted a pack of 4 embellishments. I made 6 because I've just been having so much fun making these, and this is my second time ever making little toothpick embellishments. And then I attached these little wire wrapped beads that I made. So cute. I really wanted to use them, and this is what I thought of in a way to use some of those. So let me show you guys what I created, starting with the birthday card, and then I'll show you guys these up close. So here is the birthday card that I created for Tina. I used the Hooray crepe paper collection. I made this little butterfly rosette. I just made a whole bunch, and then I thought I would use it in this since her birthday happens to be like the end of March. So I figured that was like spring-like. I added this pom-pom trim on the side here, and I think that looks really cute. And this is a unique style card because when you open it up, I mean, it's pretty fancy. So this is the first time I made this kind of card, and I am loving it. But before I show you, I also added in some Hooray elements down here. These I just print and cut using the digital ephemera. And I had popped one up on foam and put some eyelash trim behind it. So let me show you guys when you open it up, because it's so fun. Ready, guys? Are you ready? So when you open it up, that part spins. Oh, I just broke the card. Oh my goodness. Alright, I will be right back. I need to fix this. Okay guys, let's try that again. My line here is no longer really straight, but I tried to fix it. I realized my string is a little too short because I didn't put it underneath this paper. I put it under like the circle here, so the string holding this in the middle is a little too short, but this should still work. There we go. So when she opens it up, it's going to spin, and yeah, so I will spin it back up when she goes to open it. Otherwise, you know, it doesn't spin unless you turn it, so you have to like turn it a whole bunch of times and so on, so that way when she opens it, it spins. So that is the card that I made for her. Now for the cute little toothpick embellishments. Let me show you guys up close what they look like, so I'll do a couple at a time. Okay, so these two both have the pom-pom trim on the toothpick embellishment. They both have a cute little pom-pom. This one has a smaller one, this one's a little bigger, and they both have a little charm that I had wire wrapped. And how adorable, guys. I layered it up, added some eyelash trim. They are a little bit dimensional, as you guys could see. This one has some pink Nuvo drops. This one has a little minty color and that cute little animal creature right there. And then this is happy, happy birthday. Yeah, so I just layered them up, made them cutesy, and I think they turned out adorable. Then the other two that I have, let me switch these out. Here's another two that I created. These do not have any eyelash trim, but they still look super adorable. This one has a blue pom-pom with a pink little, what is this called? I don't know, little bead, wire wrapped bead charm thing that I had made. Also layered up a little bit with some Nuvo drops around here, a mint, a peach, and a yellow. Little star, and this little llama carrying birthday gifts, and it says birthday. This one has balloons in the back. Oh, and I forgot, they both have 2 little flags. That's how I stuck down all the goodies. So this has balloons, then it's popped up on foam. It says Hooray, has this little girl, a little star, and then this little wire wrapped charm bead that I made. And then here is the last two. This one is also layered up. It has the little yay balloon, a present in the back, a hooray for cake, then a little hat, a little star, some Nouveau drops, and this has a pink pom-pom with a pink wire wrapped bead. Then this one has the happy birthday again. Wait, did I show you guys this one? Wait, I showed you guys this one. Oh, I didn't show you guys this one, sorry. So then this one has a little celebrate banner in the back. It has a blue pom-pom with this like darker charm. Little balloons again. It says, hey, it's your day, with a present in the back, a little star. There's some eyelash trim in here, and Nouveau drops as well. Aren't they so cute, guys? I think these turned out so cute. If you guys want a tutorial on any of these goodies, please let me know in the comment section down below. But otherwise, this is just what I'm sending off to Tina for her birthday challenge. And I'm excited to be entering. I've been entering a whole bunch of challenges, so I'm happy to be doing that. It keeps me crafting. It keeps me trying new different things. Like both of these things I made for like the first time. So it definitely keeps me busy, and it's so fun though. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tina, I hope you enjoy your goodies, and I will see you all in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.